In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the mode function to find the most frequent value in a dataset in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. The mode function is useful when you want to identify the value that appears most often in a list of numbers or dates. This can be helpful for analyzing sales figures, repeated values, or any dataset where you want to quickly spot the most common entry. Here's the basic idea. The mode function returns the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. In other words, it helps you find the most common value in a range of cells. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you have a sales amount column with the values 100, 150, 100, 200, 100, 150, and 250. In this dataset, 100 appears 3 times, 150 appears 2 times, and both 200 and 250 appear 1 time each. Since 100 appears more often than any other value, the mode is 100. This is exactly the kind of result Excel can calculate for you automatically. If your data is in cells A2 through A8, you can use the mode.sngl function. Click into an empty cell and enter equals mode.sngl. Then select the range A2 to A8 and close the parentheses. The formula is equals mode.sngl, open parenthesis, A2:A8, close parenthesis. Press Enter, and Excel will return 100. Mode.sngl is designed to return one single most frequent value. Now, if your dataset has a tie, meaning more than one value appears with the same highest frequency, you should use mode.mult instead. Enter equals mode.mult, open parenthesis, A2:A8, close parenthesis. In Excel 365, the results will spill automatically into neighboring cells, which makes it easy to see all tied modes at once. For example, suppose your values are 10, 20, 10, 20, and 30. If you use equals mode.mult with the range A2 to A6, Excel will return both 10 and 20. That's because each of those values appears twice, so both are considered modes. You can also use the mode function with dates. For example, if a date list contains one date several times, mode.sngl can return the most frequent date in that range. If Excel shows the result as a serial number instead of a date, simply format the result cell as a date. That way, the output displays clearly and correctly. And that's how to use mode.sngl and mode.mult in Excel to find the most frequent value in a dataset.